So we're at the course conclusion of becoming a certified system administrator, working with ServiceNow platform, and preparing for the exam itself. Let's go over some of the modules that we actually covered and lessons that we actually covered within this course. So once again, the platform, ServiceNow platform itself, is an enterprise cloud platform that allows secure integration coming in and secure integrations going out, and also gives you the ability to not only perform service management, but operations management, IT management, and business management as well. Gives you different applications. Each application has modules. You can work with instances and manage the entire infrastructure, whether it's financial, whether it's HR, whether it's facilities, whether it's customers, vendors. So it's a fully collaborative environment. Once again, the exam structure, we talked about that earlier, but consists of 6 learning domains, and this entire course I've demonstrated each one of these learning domains so that you actually get to see how things not only work within ServiceNow platform, but why, in fact, does something happen. So I covered both perspective, the concept as well as the application. Here are the 6 modules that I just talked about. So first we took a look at the user interface, and I demonstrated the details and various options and tools within the system interface itself. Then we jumped into the user administration. We created a new user, for example. Data management and reporting, we talked about that in depth. Service automation platforms. We took a look at tables, lists, forms, and then core application administration as well, how to do notifications and set up business rules. And then ongoing maintenance such as upgrades and patches were also discussed. So in a nutshell, the goal of this course is to give you a flavor of the ServiceNow platform and make you comfortable. So once with this course and some additional reading that I'm going to show you next, some additional resources, you should practice and then be able to pass the exam. So here are some resources. First, the link that you can go ahead and click on and take a look at the exam registration and the costs that are involved. It's about $150, I guess, for the exam at this point. The second resource is an online sample exam, a great resource. So you just go online, take this exam, and you have to pass more than 70 marks, or 70% is the passing score. So if you can pass the online sample exam, you should be pretty okay. You should be pretty good with some practice. Here's some additional resources, a couple of more resources. The exam specifications are listed, so you can click on the PDF document, details out exactly everything that you need to know about the exam. And then more importantly, the last resource is the ServiceNow product documentation. Of course, it's a wiki, so it's very extensive, right? But this is what you're going to do as your practice task and as your additional reading task with this course. You need to go to the wiki.servicenow.com and just take a look at those learning domains that I highlighted earlier. And within each learning domain, just search the wiki and read about that. Okay, that's all you have to do. And with a little bit of practice, hands-on exercises on the platform, just like I demonstrated, you should be good to pass the exam. So with this, I cannot stress this enough. Practice makes perfect. I tell all my students to practice, practice, and nothing but practice. The more you do it, the easier it'll become for you. So with this, I'd like to thank you for taking this course, and I look forward to having you in my next course.